pack large contains everything you need to make 5 lampshades, including one large 40cm diameter lampshade. So it includes 2 20cm diameter ring sets, 2 30cm diameter ring sets, and 1 40cm diameter ring sets with adapter rings, enough white backed self-adhesive PVC, 1 50m roll of 3mm double-sided tape, 1 50m roll of 9mm double-sided tape, and 1 50m roll of 12mm double-sided tape. This diagram shows you how you should cut the PVC to make all 5 lampshades. You can choose your own heights to suit your home. Just remember to make them tall enough to cover the light bulb. Don't adjust the length of the panels.